Yes, to read algebra expressions, it is very important to be aware of how one is expressing it, and it also influences the way that you interpret what you are reading. For example, look at a simple example. Okay, you have this example. I'm not saying anything, right? So one might say, let's put that there. Example one. One might say 4 subtract 5, full stop. Now, I would say this is partially correct. Okay, this is partially correct. Now, as I'm writing that there, I'm going to invent a little table. 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. Okay. Let's put 3 rows and 3 columns for now. So you have the expression, you have what is said, and you have, is it how correct it is. Okay. So here you have your heading, you have the expression, you have the reading, and you have the correctness. So take, for example, you've got just a minute. Because I believe in discussing to create the foundation that we really want. I believe in discussing the material, not just do the assignment, come class, go home. To create the foundation we're looking for, I believe in discussing the material, what you really want to build a foundation on. You have to discuss it, you have to talk about it. All right? You have to talk about it. So number one, okay. So for number one, we have this simple example. All right. Now, you may say that. That's how you may read it. Okay. That's how you may read it. This, reading it that way, I call that partially correct. Now, what I'm doing there is brand new. I don't think, I've never done this before, and I don't think I've ever seen that anyway. And you see what happens when you discuss and you discover new things. Okay, what you can do to this. Right. The reason why I put in this there is because saying it that way, which is very common, I say it that way sometimes, 4 subtract 5, okay, and this is partially correct. Okay, it is better said 4 and -5. 4 and -5. I would consider this to be fully. The reason why is because you can, if you want to separate them, the correct way of doing that is to write down the 4, create the space, and write down the 5. No, not write down the 5, write down the -5. Because, you know, as we discussed it and I thinking about it, why is the negative sign so attached to the number on the right? Why is the negative sign so attached to the number on the right? Let's think about that. Why is that so?